Tired of the annual ritual? Crawling under your Christmas tree every morning to plug in the lights is simply not the way a tech enthusiast should live. We can fix this inconvenience. This year, we're taking our holiday decorations from dumb to DIY smart, using just 3 affordable and simple gadgets. The setup takes less than 15 minutes. First, we need our core device, a reliable smart Wi-Fi plug. We're using the Kasa mini plug, which is small enough to hide but strong enough to handle all your lights. Step 1 is making your regular lights smart. We start by unboxing the plug and preparing it for installation. This plug is the backbone of your new smart tree. Go to your tree's wall socket and plug the new smart plug directly into the outlet. Make sure your Wi-Fi network is active so the plug can connect correctly. Now, take the main power cord from your Christmas tree lights, or an extension cord, and plug it directly into the smart plug itself. Open the Kasa app or the app for your specific plug and set it up. Crucially, you need to rename the plug to something simple and memorable, like Christmas tree. Now, let's test the voice command. Simply ask your assistant, "Alexa, turn on Christmas tree." The simple voice control feature is officially done. Look at that. Instant, effortless control. Next, we introduce the magic element, the battery-powered smart motion sensor. This is the device that makes the whole system feel truly automated. This small sensor is the key to creating a magical experience. Before placement, we need to make sure the sensor stays put. Apply the provided adhesive strip to the back of the sensor and prepare for mounting, ensuring the lens is facing the room's entrance. Alternatively, you can place it neatly under the edge of the tree skirt. It should be virtually invisible to guests while still detecting movement. The goal is for the sensor to detect you walking into the room, but not someone just walking past the doorway. Aim it specifically at your primary entry point. See how the sensor triggers as I step near it? This confirms it's ready to communicate with the smart assistant. Now, let's tie it all together with the automation routine. This is the DIY hack that links the two devices. Open the Alexa or Google Home app to the Routines section. First, tap the Routines tab to begin setting up your new automation. We will start a new routine from scratch and give it a memorable name. For the trigger, we select when this happens, and then tap on the name of your newly connected motion sensor device. Confirm the sensor you want to use. This tells the system that the rest of the steps should only happen when motion is detected here. Under the Actions list, tap Add Action, go to Smart Home, and select your smart plug named Christmas Tree. Set the action to turn on. This makes the entire room feel festive instantly. And just like magic, the Christmas tree lights instantly turn on and the festive music begins to play. That's it. Your DIY smart Christmas tree is complete. The ultimate, affordable holiday tech hack. But what if you don't want to DIY? What if you want next-level, pre-built premium automation? Maybe you're shopping for that ultimate Christmas gift, or just looking for the best in holiday luxury. We've scoured Amazon for the absolute top 3 smart Christmas trees and light systems that give you the ultimate wow factor. Let's start with the king of customizable animation. Leading off the premium list is the Twinkly Strings 600 LED RGB smart lights. Priced at $199.99, you're saving $30 right now. The key here is the incredible mappable technology. You use your phone's camera to map all 600 individual LEDs, unlocking over 16 million colors. This allows you to create custom animations, display graphics, or sync your effects perfectly to music hall controlled seamlessly via the app or your Alexa assistant. This is the ultimate gift for professional-looking holiday decor. Next, if you want a complete single-purchase solution, you have to look at the Mr. Christmas Alexa-compatible Smart Home Christmas Tree. This 6.5-foot mountain fir design is currently priced at $376.50. This tree is the epitome of smart convenience because it's certified for humans for simple setup. Thanks to its innovative power pole technology, the lights are pre-wired all the way through the trunk. You simply slide the tree sections together, and the lights connect automatically. No more frustrating internal light cables to plug in. Next, we move to the top tier of holiday realism with the Balsam Hill BH Balsam Fir Full Tree. This is the ultimate Christmas gift for the traditionalist who wants the look of a natural tree without the maintenance. At 7.5 feet tall, this masterpiece is currently on sale for $849, saving you $150 off the list price. This tree isn't about RGB colors, it's about unmatched realism. It boasts over 5,700 realistic branch tips molded after real firs and is hand-strung with 1,050 clear incandescent lights for that warm, classic Christmas glow. And that brings us to the end of our ultimate holiday tech guide. Whether you chose to save big with the DIY smart plug and motion sensor hack or decided to splurge on the Twinkly or Balsam Hill luxury options, you are guaranteed to have the smartest, most beautiful tree on the block this Christmas. If you want to grab any of the products we featured today, I've put all the links and current pricing for the DIY gadgets, Twinkly, Mr. Christmas, and Balsam Hill right down in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more holiday tech reviews and smart home projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.